Hi, I'm Keven Friedmna, head of Lip RipperZ Pro Staff. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie a Trilene knot and a Palomar knot, the perfect knots for beginners. Thanks for joining me, Keven Friedmna, head of the Lip RipperZ Pro Staff. Make sure to subscribe below and join us for new videos posted to YouTube every Tuesday and Friday. Now let's get out there and rip some lips.